Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and copy your seed deposit address on BINGX. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Let's go over to BINGX, and I hope your BINGX account is verified, so you'll be able to carry out transaction. Make sure you're at the home page of BINGX. Over there you're going to see deposit/buy crypto. Let's go over to it, and you're going to see deposit is at the first one there is deposit. Let's go over to deposit right now, and here is the list of coins. You can see many coins here, many crypto here, and for you to look for seed is going to take much time. So let's go over to the search area and let me type seed right now, and you're going to see it. Look at it at the upside. Let me go over to it, and here is the deposit address. You can share your deposit address here. You can copy your deposit address here. Let me go over to copy. You can see it over there close to the deposit address, and it said copied. And for you to share or save your address to your phone, you can share it to many people on X, Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you want to share it. And you can also save it to your phone, to your gallery. You can go over to there. You're going to see save image. Let me go over to save image. Could you like to add your photo? You have to do okay, and let me go over to save the image to my phone right away, and you're going to see image saved to album, and you can see I've saved the image to my phone. The best one just for you to copy your deposit address, and you have to be careful when you paste it so you won't mix up the number. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.